decided to renovate our kitchen, and we found this contractor, and he came in and looked at what we had. And you have to try to picture. We had a 1968 kitchen. We had walls. Everything was very old, falling apart. It was very bad. So we decided to knock down the walls and open it up. Which was a wonderful decision. These windows had already been here. We had changed the windows, but you couldn't see them, and now you can see them, and we have all this light that comes in. We chose very neutral, simple colors for the cabinetry. We loved the steel gray with the black handles that were actually on display in the store when we walked in. I was sold just while seeing the display. And the white quartzite countertops that just very simply blend with the gray. We really love that. And then my husband found these beautiful lights online that they also installed for us. And the company did this for us over the winter holiday. So they started coming in, I think, mid-December, and then they worked right through our Christmas holiday and then New Year's. And they had this done in 3 weeks. Not only that, but they also refinished our floors to a golden pecan color, which was a really big difference too. The floors were scuffed and scratched and not in good shape, and now they're beautiful. And this floor here was also awful white linoleum, and they ripped that up and redid it and blended it in, so you can't even tell the difference between the old floor and the new. So we are really happy with our kitchen, really pleased with our contractor, and we wish this experience for everyone. It was about as painless as it could have been.